Hi there, join me in this video when I'm back at Pennington Flash Nature Reserve. I've been to Pennington Flash quite a lot of times because it's fairly close to where I live and it's public access, but the advantage is there are quite a lot of hides dotted around the nature reserve, and already you can see behind me, right next to the car park, there are lots of birds. So I've seen some black-headed gulls, moorhen, some Canada geese and a few others as well. Now today there seems to be some kind of event happening at the nature reserve, but at the moment public are not allowed onto the car park, so it's still quite empty. So I'm going to take advantage of this and see if I can get some photographs of the birds before it gets really busy. So come along with me because I know that I'm really going to enjoy my photography. Well, unfortunately not a lot to see in this hide this morning. I have seen a few things on previous visits, like reed buntings on the feeders behind the camera, and on a tree just outside the hide here on a previous visit I did see a kingfisher, but nothing today really. The reeds are quite high, so you can't really see a lot on the shoreline, and out on the water there are just mallard. If this is your first time visiting the channel or you haven't yet done so, then you can do me a really big favour by clicking the like, subscribe and the bell notification, and that way you also stay up to date with all of my future photographic content. I've come into a different hide and this has proved to be really productive because there are lots of feeders out in front of this hide, and while I was sitting waiting, one of the wardens came and put some food on some of the tables, so that attracted even more birds. And some of the highlights here have been some bullfinch, so I've seen a male and a female. I've seen a coal tit, and I've also seen some stock dove as well. Now some people won't know the difference between a pigeon and a stock dove, and I've got this little bit of footage here where I got a wood pigeon and a stock dove on the feeding table at the same time. So on the left hand side is the wood pigeon, and it's quite a bit bigger than the stock dove that's on the right, and it's more uniform in colour as well, with just a little bit of iridescence on the back of its neck. So it's still part of the pigeon family, but it's quite a bit smaller and a little bit more distinctive. If you do find yourself in a hide like this where there are feeders, then do try and get photographs of birds on the branches of the trees around the feeders, because for me, I personally think it looks far more pleasing. I've got photographs of birds on the feeders, but when you compare them to the ones where they're in the trees or on a perch by a feeder that looks a little bit more natural. It just feels less artificial, and as a result, I just think it's a better photograph. Normally this hide is quite quiet and there's not a lot to see, but today it's really noisy. You might be able to hear on the microphone there's a lot of black-headed gulls out on the water, but also there are some swans, some Canada geese and some coot, but the highlight from this hide has to be a wren that I saw. Now this just goes to show how much patience really does pay off, because I was keeping my eyes open and I noticed a little bit of movement just below this aperture here where there's a little stream, and the wren was making its way along the side of the stream through some grasses. Now it didn't really show itself, but I thought if I just keep following it, eventually I should get lucky and it will come out into the open. And sure enough, after about 5 minutes of watching it along the side of the stream, it jumped up onto the top of a bush, posed really nicely, and I got its photograph. I have visited several hides that I haven't filmed because I didn't see anything, but in this hide just here, a great way to finish off the morning, there were some lapwing chicks that came very close to the hide. So what I'll do now is I'll leave you with some photographs and video of those and some of the best shots from the morning.
The magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Well, I've had a really great morning here at Pennington Flash. I've really enjoyed myself. Yes, I might not have seen any really unusual species, but I think I've still got some really nice photographs. Those lapwing chicks were quite special. Then I've also seen that wren and some of the birds that I took from the first bird hide by the feeders were really interesting as well, like the stock doves and the bullfinch. So what a great day, and I'm going away really happy. Well, if you have enjoyed that video, do let me know down below in the comments, and nip over to my Instagram or Vero account, that's at Oakden Photography. Leave me your comments there, and you can also see lots of my photographs. Now, if you like what I do on the channel and you want to help support me to make future content like this, then you can leave out the gift shop. That's at Teespring. There I've got a range of merchandise on offer, so head off over there because the purchase really does help me out, and it's very much appreciated. But you don't have to spend any money at all to support the channel. You can do that simply by clicking the like, subscribe and the bell notifications. It really helps me out and it makes sure that you don't miss out on any future content. Watch out for next week's video. That goes live on Sunday. In the meantime, you can check out this video just up here. But all that's left now is to say, stay safe and I'll see you soon.